Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn how to use min and max function in Excel. So if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to learn all the functions, so this video will show you min and max, and I have uploaded other videos where you can see other latest functions. So subscribe my channel. Okay, so first here this video we will learn min and max function. So this is the student name and this is their marks. Okay, now I will find out min. I will use min function in this cell and max function in this cell. So min function is usually used to find out minimum mark or minimum number. Okay, and max function is used for maximum number. Okay, so I will find out the maximum mark this class get. Okay, so first minimum mark, then maximum mark. So equals to, then type min. Okay, then select the number. Now bracket close. So the minimum mark this class get is 64, and maximum max, then the whole table, whole column, the maximum mark is 95. So like this you can use min and max function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.